How to change font on Google Keep. So if you want to change font on Google Keep, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have your Google Keep application. After that, you need to open up your application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to just go with the plus which is on the bottom right and create a new note. You can go with text and it will take it to a new note, and under this you can write something. And if you want to change the basic things or basic features like text or bold, then you will have the option right here. First select the text. After selecting the text, here you will have a text option which is A option right here on the bottom. You just need simply tap on it, and from here you can go with bold or italics or heading, any option that you're comfortable with. Or you can also increase your text size. You can go with the first heading or second heading, and this way you'll be able to increase your font size or change your font size, but you don't have an option to change the font. So in order to change the font, you just need to simply go with any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can go with any font generator websites, copy and paste it, and in that way you will be able to change the font. But in order to increase the size, you can just simply go with the headings, or you can also go with bold, and in this way you'll be able to increase the size. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.